Good evening, candidates. This is for Federal Bank Associate Officers sales. And also, it will be useful for Dhanalakshmi Bank Assistant Managers interview. Now, to start with, we were doing some discussion about glossary because our interview date has not come. So now what we will do, we will continue with the same. Today, we will read about lease financing. Today, our Shivam has joined us. Shivam, can you see on? Acha, you are not able to see on the screen. 1 minute. Yeah. Now I think you can see the screen. Please read. That is, lease financing means what? Please read. But please read. Actually, you may not be requiring
Financing
too
for
much.
the business,
Yeah. Continue.
financing for the business of renting houses or lands for a specific period of a time and also hearing out of an asset for the duration of its economic life, leasing of a car or heavy machinery for a specific period at a specific price. An example, limited company's account.
Actually, big machineries costing crores of rupees and all. Some companies may try to go in for
Yes, sir.
taking on lease only, like accommodation, Garka accommodation. We take it on lease like that. So that is lease financing. Now continue, Shiva. You yourself continue. What is your name?
Yes,
Shivam.
sir.
Continue.
A
Letter of
document is issued by importers. Letter of credit. A document issued by importer's bank to its branch or agent abroad authorizing the payment of a specific sum to a person named in letter of credit, usually exporters from abroad. Letters of credit are covered by the rules framed under uniform custom and practices of a documentary credit framed by International Chamber of Commerce in Paris.
Actually, there is a document known as, you can note down, UCPDC. Now, what we are using is UCPDC 600. In that, all the clarifications would have been given. Different countries use different languages. And say, for example, in South India, if you say like this, it it's an indication yes. In North India वो तो exactly reverse हो जाएगा. So that is why, and similarly in different countries different words mean different. Some people will say about means somebody will say 5% more, okay, 10% more, okay, like that. So such differences should not be there. That is why there is a common document known as Uniform Customs and Documentary Credit. Now, please read limited companies accounts. Read.
Accounts of companies incorporated under the Companies Act 1956. A company may be private or public. Liability of the shareholder of a company is generally limited to the face value of share held by them.
So this is coming under the Companies Act. Now, this has been written some 20 years ago. That is why they are giving Companies Act 1956. Whereas now a new Companies Act
Companies
has
Act
come.
2030.
2013 has come. Accordingly, some new companies have also come. One man company has also come now. Only one person can be a company. Previously, we had a private limited company, public limited companies like that. So, Federal Bank is a public limited company, but in private sector. That is, ownership is
Public limited or
not
private limited.
private limited company. Federal Bank is a private limited bank. Dhanalakshmi Bank is a private limited bank. HDFC is a private limited bank. Sorry. not
So
private limited.
public
Sorry,
limited,
sorry.
sir.
No, sorry, sorry. It should be public limited, but in private sector. Public limited in but in private sector. Private limited when it will come when it has a maximum of 200 shareholders, minimum to maximum 200 shareholders, then it is called as private limited company, and the shares in those companies cannot be sold to outsiders. It has to be sold one among the members only. So that sort of conditions are there. You need not require that much for this interview, but simply know that Companies Act 2013 has come, and according to that, private limited company maximum 200 shareholders, public limited company unlimited shareholders. Considering ownership, private ownership company is one where government's holding is less than 50% or so, whereas public sector is one where the investment is more than 51% and above. India, we have 12 public sector banks. So many public sector companies like Indian Oil Corporation, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, then you have, say, Central Warehousing, then Coal India. So many are there. Very good. Now, next, continue. Shibam, mandate.
Sir, sir, all this year learning from Federal Bank website.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir, all this we are learning in Federal Bank website.
yeah, yeah. Everything is in Federal Bank website. सब कुछ हम लोग we are
Okay.
learning from Federal Bank website.
Okay.
Okay,
Mandate. Return automatically authorized. Mandate. Return authority issued by a customer to another person to act on behalf on his behalf to sign check or operate a bank account. Mandate.
okay, very good. Continue.
MCC, multi-city checks are denoted as MCC. MCC check can be encashed anywhere in India, irrespective of the city they were issued in. They are treated as local clearing checks across the country. The amount is credited in the account the same day, and there are no intercity collection charges associated with a normal check being encashed in another city. A check is issued at a branch in Chennai can be encashed at a branch in Mumbai as if it is were local check. There would be notion on the top or the bottom of a check indicating its status as a PAP or MCC check.
Very good. Uh, Now, next is after of course, nowadays it is not having much importance because payment is all made through Google Pay, Phone Pay, and all. Nobody bothers about such checks. That is the reason. And yeah, not only that, nowadays national clearing has been introduced. So within 3 days, all checks are getting collected. Earlier, it used to take 10 days for a check on Delhi to be collected by a Chennai branch. Now it has been made very simplified because clearing is done through a check truncation system. Now, please read this merchant banking.
Yes, sir. Merchant banking. When a bank provides to customer a various type of financial service like accepting bills arising out of trade, agreeing and providing underwriting new issues, providing advice, information, or assistance on starting new business, acquisition, mergers, and foreign exchange.
This is merchant banking. Merchant banking, these companies are authorized by SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. The chairman's name is Tuhim Kanta Pandey. Tugin Kumar Pandey or Kanta Pandey? Anybody
Sir,
knows?
Kanta.
Will can't,
Kanta.
can't.
Tugin Kanta Pandey. And they are the people who are authorizing the merchant banking units. These merchant banking units, what they will do, whenever a company wants to go for public issue, initial public offering, they will prepare the prospectus, submit it to our my SEBI, get their approval, then they will issue advertisement, newspapers, and the internet and all. Then they will go for collection of monies. So that is known as merchant banker. Now, please read MICR code.
Magnetic link character recognition (MICR code) pronounced "micr" as a nine-digit number printed on banking instruments such as check or a demand draft using a special type of ink made of magnetic material. The first three digits denote the city, the fourth or sixth digit denote the bank, while the last three digits denote the branch number. The code is read by a machine,
Code is read by minimizing, where is it? Minimizing
minimizing the
chances of error.
checks, minimizing chances of error and clearing of checks, thereby making funds transfer faster. You will find the number on the right of the check number at the bottom of the check leaf. MICR code allows money to drop directly into your bank account for payments such as salary and dividends. Your tax refund will come to you faster if you remember to mention this on the refund form. Refunds of unwanted money in initial public offers to drop back if you put down your code on the application form.
But now it is not having much relevance because nowadays you have got one new concept known as IFSC code. So whenever we give in the tax purpose and all, when we give IFSC code, that will do. MICR code is not very much required nowadays. Now, please read microfinance.
Yes, sir. Microfinance and aid elevation of poverty and empowerment of weaker section in India. In microfinance, very small amounts are given as credit to poor in rural, semi-urban, and urban areas, enable them to raise their income levels and empowering living standards.
Yeah, microfinance. And in fact, this concept came to India through Bangladesh. This concept was enunciated by Muhammad Yunus, who is now the caretaker prime minister of Bangladesh. And for this purpose, he was given Nobel Prize also. Continue. Minor accounts.
Okay, sir. A person is a minor who has not attained a legal age of 18 years as per the contract Act. Minor cannot into a contract as per negotiable instrument act. Minor can
Negotiate.
negotiate, endorse, receive payments on negotiable instrument so as to bind all the person except himself in order to boost their deposits. Many bank open minor account with some restrictions.
Good. Very good. Now, next one. Mobile banking. Next, Nikhil, why don't you read from here? Nikhil, mobile banking.
Mobile banking. With the help of M-banking or mobile banking, customer can check his bank balance, order a demand draft, stop payment of a check, request for a checkbook, and have information about latest interest rates.
See, actually, this has been written long back, but nowadays, what a mobile bank account can do, we will check up today. Now it is India mobile banking various functions it can do now. I am asking our chat GPT to tell answer for this. So many things are coming now. Now this is a good question. You must be able to remember this. I am taking you to that page now. I am stopping this. I'm taking you to that page, that is perplexity. So please come to perplexity. Now, Mr. Nikhil, you please read this. This is very useful for interview purposes. They will ask you, which bank are you having your account? Then what is the name of the mobile app of that account? So what are the uses to which the mobile app can be put into? Like that they will ask. Please read Indian mobile banking.
Indian mobile banking apps in 2025 offer a broad range of functions that go well beyond basic balance checks and transfers. Here's a comprehensive list of current mobile banking capabilities.
Hmm.
Core banking services. Check account balance and transaction history instantly. Transfer funds via NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, RTGS, IMPS, and UPI, both within and outside the home bank. Download and share
Now, no,
detailed
no.
statements.
Nowadays, this UPI has come not only in India, in 8 other countries.
Yes, sir.
Like recently, I think it was introduced in Qatar, Nepal, Bhutan,
Mm.
and all places also it is going. Super, Baba. Please read, download.
Download and share detailed statement and mini statements.
Hmm.
Digital payments and bill management. Make bill payment like electricity, water, gas, credit cards, taxes, and recharge mobile DTH connections. Scan QR codes and make payments using UPI and Bharat QR. Card and account management. Apply for new debit card, credit card, block unblock cards, set or change card limits, and activate deactivate cards. Manage fixed deposits and recurring deposits, open, renew, or close one line. Order new checks, book stop checks, or check status. Loans and investment. Apply for or monitor personal home or auto loan status. Invest in mutual funds, start SIPs, and purchase on redeem gold. Purchase and manage insurance policies directly from the app. Personal financial management. Access spend analytical and financial planning tools for tracking expenses and budgets. Set up and manage auto pay for bills and recurring payments. Specialized features like AI security, accessibility, biometric and two-factor authentication for enhanced security, AI chatbot for 24 into 7 assistance and query resolution, customizable dashboard, voice-enabled banking and support in regional languages. Other useful services: ATM and branch locator, customer care integration and service request tracking, digital wallet functions, one-stop access for all banking and payment needs. These functions are commonly available across top Indian mobile banking apps like SBI, YONO, ICICI, iMobile Pay, HDFC Mobile Banking, Access Mobile, Kotak 811, and PNB One. Continuous innovations like embedded finance, RegTech tools, and hyper personalized features ensure ever growing capabilities for Indian banking customers.
Yeah, nowadays we can do so many things. Like you can even apply for shares. So many things can be done through this mobile banking. This is a very good, important essay for knowledge sake. I am giving the link of this in our WhatsApp group. Later on, I will put a video on that later on. But now I will give this. This is useful for our, what is that? IBPS PO, IBPS PO mains exam, essay writing also. This will be useful. This is mobile banking. I am giving the link to you. Very good. Excellent. That's a good point. Now, what we will do, we will stop presenting that. We will go to our federal bank. Now, please come to money laundering.
Sir,
Yeah,
screen is
Screen,
not visible.
screen not visible, sir.
Acha, sorry. Screen is not visible. Yes. When a customer uses
When a customer uses banking channels to cover up his suspicious and unlawful financial activities, it is called money laundering.
Yeah. Money laundering means what? See, whenever somebody gets some illegal money, he wants it to be made white. That is black money into white money. Then they do this. They open accounts in some other names and they make the illegal money also legal money. That is known as money laundering. That is why KYC is done. That is know your customer. Now continue, Nikhil.
A minor is minor
This sorry, this is mortgage. Acha, acha, this is
mortgage.
wrong. No, no, this is wrongly. This passage is wrong. Here they have given about minor instead of giving mortgage. I think I should write to them one of these days because they have not changed it for so many days. Come on, continue. Next one. NACH.
NACH, National Automated Clearing House, introduced by National Payment Corporation of India, is a centralized clearing services that aims at providing interbank high volume, low value transactions that are repeated and periodic in nature.
That are repetitive.
Repetitive,
Yeah, repetitive means that is monthly payments.
continuous.
Continuous, like every week we are doing it like that.
Sir,
Repetitive
in
payments.
yes, sir, in while purchasing for an IPO, like I have used this NACH, sir.
Acha, you know Sharma investing also?
Yes, sir. I know fundamental analysis and I'm currently learning financial modeling as well, sir.
Oh, Baba, very good. I don't know much about it. Very nice. I will ask you to talk to the group one day, not now. Very good. Very happy. Now, this is who is the chairman of NPCI now? Excuse me.
NPCI chairman.
Ah, sorry, not chairman, managing director.
MD, I don't know, sir.
Chairman, you know,
Yes, sir.
who is that?
Sir, Ajay Kumar Chaudhary.
Acha, is he? We have chairman also for that. I have not
Yes,
heard it. One minute. NPCI chairman. Mm, correct, Baba. Good. Excellent. Very happy. I am talking about Dilip Asbe. Managing director is Dilip
yes.
Asbe. Dilip Asbe.
Didi
Very good.
Pasbe.
Very good. I am happy. First time. I was thinking that there is no chairman for this. But thank you for telling me this, Mr. Nikhil. Please read next one.
NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, enables funds transfer from one bank to another but works bit differently than RTGS since the settlement takes place in batches rather than individually, making NEFT slower than RTGS. The transfer is not directly and RBI acts as the service provider to transfer the money from one account to another. You can transfer any amount through a NEFT, even a rupee. You won't have to pay any fee for inward transfer of funds, but
Outward
outward
transaction.
transactions are chargeable.
Very nominal charge they do, 5 rupees, 6 rupees, like that. That is okay. NEFT, this is a very favorite interview question. What is the
Yes, sir.
expansion of NEFT? What is the
Yes.
expansion of RTGS? What is the difference
Real-time gross
between
settlement.
NEFT and RTGS? So please prepare for answers for them. Next time when I conduct interviews, I will ask you.
IMPS, sir.
Negotiation. Pardon?
IMPS is
Hello?
the expansion.
IMPS.
Immediate mobile
Immediate
payment
payment
system.
service. Immediate payment service or system. I don't know. Let us see that.
Sir, service,
IMP,
sir. Service.
IMPS. Immediate payment service. No, no, but here when we ask IMPS, it is telling something else.
Sir,
Not this
as
one.
per NPCI, it's immediate payment service only. As per
Service.
NPCI.
Very good. Then that is correct. Now we go to non-fund based limits. Please read.
Non-fund based limits are those type of limits where banker does not part with funds but may have to part with fund in case of default by the borrowers, like guarantees, letter of credit, and acceptance facility.
Hmm. Somebody is trying to come. Who is that person? Some new person is coming. Shivam, you three are there already, na?
Shiva, sir.
Shiva Kumar has, acha, acha. He went out and he has joined. Very good.
Yes, sir. Right.
I think his internet may not be all right. Yeah. Now, non-fund based limits, okay. That is guarantees, letter of credit, etc. Very good. Now we go to non-resident accounts. Baba, what happened?
Non-resident.
Hmm. Again, somebody is coming. Sivakumar only. Oh,
Yes, sir. I'm on.
acha. ఏమైంది it is getting disconnected quite often.
Yes, sir. అంటే ఇంటికి వెళ్తున్నాను సార్ బస్ స్టాండ్ లో ఉన్నాను సో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతాను ట్రావెలింగ్ లో ఉన్నాను.
ట్రావెలింగ్ లో ఉన్నారా? ఠీక్ నో
ఎస్
ప్రాబ్లం.
ఎస్ సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్. Now we go to non-resident account. Please read.
Non-resident.
Yep. Hmm.
Non-resident. A person who is not a resident of India is a non-resident.
Hmm. Yeah. And
Non-resident
non-resident
account.
accounts.
Accounts of non-resident Indian citizens opened and maintained as per RBI rules.
Yeah. NP. And in fact, non-resident account is an important account for our federal bank. And statistics says more than 15% of remittances from abroad to India is received through federal bank. 15%. There are so many banks in India, but 15% of inward remittances is received through our federal bank. It's because a number of people are residing abroad from Kerala. Most of them will be remitting through that. Yeah, NPA account. Please read.
NPA account. If interest and installments and other bank dues are not paid in any loan account within a specified time limit, it is being treated as non-performing asset of bank.
This is an old definition written some 10, 15 years ago. But right now, the definition is if any loan installment or interest is not paid for 90 days from its due date, it will be considered as non-performing asset. First stage will be an account where installments are all paid properly. It is known as standard assets. But where the installment due has not been paid for 1 day to 30 days, it is included under special mention account 0, SMA 0. Then 31 to 60 days, it is included under SMA 1. 61 to 90 days, it is included under SMA 2. This is known as special mention account. This strategy is done so that banks can have a close watch over the accounts for recovering of the monies. Next stage is after it is becoming due for 90 days from its due date, the account will be classified as substandard. The account will be classified as substandard and it will be there for 12 months. And after 12 months also, if it is not repaid, it will be transferred to doubtful assets. And after it is remaining there for 3 years, it will be classified as loss assets. That is, we are not going to recover. At every stage, when the account comes to substandard, we are supposed to provide some funds for this account. That is, we have to debit our expenditure account. Similarly, doubtful extra percentage we have to provide. But where an account becomes a loss asset, 100% of the loan amount has to be provided. So that is what is known as NPA. Sivakumar, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Please read now. Off
Off
balance
balance
sheet item.
sheet items. Those items with affect the financial positions of a business current but do not appear in the balance sheet. Example, guarantees, letters of credit, etc. The mention of balance sheet items often fund these auditors, reports or directors' reports.
Yeah. See this balance sheet item, that is majority items will come within the balance sheet. Then whenever time permits, you go through Federal Bank's balance sheet to know what are the various columns that are there in the balance sheet. That will help you. They won't ask you much detailed question because you are joining only as a salesperson. They will try to find out whether you can talk well in English and also in your local language, whether you have the ability to convince others, similar to what our Sivakumar is doing nowadays. Sivakumar is such a person only, but Sivakumar, in majority of the conversations, do you talk in English or you talk in local language?
Local language, maximum local language, sir.
Acha,
In
maximum
in
local
case
language.
in case coming to NRI customer, I will talk to English, sir.
Acha, oh, oh. Why NRI customer English? He will also know local language, kada?
Yes, sir. But వాళ్ళు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మనకి ముందు వెల్కమ్ ఇస్తారు సార్. సో బట్ ట్రై
Acha, they will talk to you in English.
ఇంగ్లీష్ సార్.
Okay, fine. Very good. Now please read online banking.
Online banking through internet site of the bank which made the interactive.
Yeah, very good. Now come, what is this? What is PAP? I don't know. PAP checks. Please read PAP
PAP
checks.
check PAP
Hmm.
checks means those checks which are payable at par. PAP checks can be cashed anywhere in India, irrespective of the city they were issued in. They are treated as local
Now,
clearing
one
checks
minute. One
across.
minute. Someone wants to join the call, but here, how to admit this system problem? Waiting to be admitted, one person. Admit all. Yeah. Ayushi is joining us. Yeah, now 1 minute. Sorry, Sivakumar. Sivakumar Garu,
Okay, sir.
please read. Please read. PAP checks.
PAP checks means those checks which are payable at par. PAP checks can be cashed anywhere in India, irrespective of the city they were issued in. They are treated as local clearance checks across the country. The amount is credited in the account the same day, and there are there are no intercity collection charges associated with the normal checks being and cashed in another city. There would be a nation on the top or the bottom of a check indicating its status as a PAP check.
Notation. Okay. Continue. Passbook.
A
Please
record
read.
of all
Hmm.
passbook. A record of all debit and credit entries in a customer's account. Generally, all banks issued passbook to savings bank or current bank account holders.
Hmm.
Personal identification number (PIN). Personal identification number is a number in which an ATM card holder has to key in before he is authorized to do any banking transaction in an ATM.
Actually, this is also one interview question. They will ask you what is the four-digit number you are giving to ATM called. You have to say PIN. PIN means expansion what? Personal identification number. What is the expansion of PAN? PAN means what?
Permanent account
Permanent
number.
account number.
Very good.
Permanent account
Permanent
number.
account.
Account
Permanent
number.
account number. You have to tell like that. Very good. Now please read phishing.
Phishing. Phishing is the fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information or data, such as usernames, passwords, and credit card details or the other sensitive details, by impersonating on self as a trustworthy entity in the digital communication.
So right now, the current news is that some bank officer himself, chief executive of some of a bank retired, he has been cheated of 23 crore. I think it happened in Delhi or someplace. It is appearing in social media. 23 crore due to house arrest. He was threatened like your Aadhaar card is used for some illegal purposes. So you don't move out of this place. You stay on here. We are going to arrest you like that. So that is known as digital arrest. Now please read plastic money.
One second, sir. Bus is coming, sir. Please go to another one.
Acha, acha, you
Bus.
go. Okay, okay. Now Ayushi, please come.
Yes, sir.
I
Good.
see. I really appreciate Sivakumar. See, he is working in a bank. He is returning from bank to home. While returning, also he is showing interest while standing in the bus stand with the cell phone attending class. But
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
my suggestion is while traveling, while waiting in bus stand and all, if you use that, other fellows will take away something from your pocket and all. Please be careful, Shivakumar and
Yes,
other
sir. Yes, sir.
candidates.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Thank you.
if at all you are sitting in a chair, you can watch the video. Otherwise, don't do such things. I don't mind you are watching it, but the thing is, other people will distract your attention and take away money or debit card, credit card. Please be careful, Shivakumar. You are a good
Okay,
boy.
sir.
I don't want you to be difficulties. Ayushi, please read.
Yes, sir. So just a second. Credit credit cards, debit cards, ATM cards, and international cards are considered plastic money. As like money, they can enable us to get goods and services.
Yeah. Plastic money. This is also interview question. What is plastic money? You have to say debit card and credit card. Those two will do. Very good.
Okay.
Then pledge.
Uh, a bailment of goods as security for payment of a debt or performance of
Oh,
a.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
If I can make it big for you. Mm, mm, pledge, post dated check. Which one we were reading? Plastic money, pledge. Now pledge. Pledge. Please read. Bailment of goods.
A bailment of goods as security for payment of a debt or performance of a promise. Example, pledge of a stock by a borrower to a banker for a credit limit. Pledge can be made in movable goods only.
Yeah. Pledge means supposing a television, fridge, then washing machine, etc. Some trader is buying, but he may not require it immediately. So what he will do, he will keep it, say some portion of it in the shop. Those goods will be hypothecated, whereas some other major portion he will keep inside good godown. This godown will be under the lock and key of the bank. The stocks in the godown will be insured. And why they are keeping in KCC is that the margin they prescribe may be less, whereas while in the case of open cash credit under hypothecation, they will say you have to give a margin of 25%. Here, they will give a margin of 20% or so. That means If you have 100 lakhs goods under OCC, you will get 75 lakhs limit. Whereas under KCC, you can get 80 lakhs limit. That is what is there. Yeah. Now we will go to post dated check.
Uh, Post-dated check, a check which bears the date which is subsequent to the date when it is drawn. For example, a check drawn on 8th of February 2007 bears the date of 12th February 2007.
See, now we can know how old is this material. They have prepared this material somewhere in 2007, 17, 18 years ago. Come on, continue.
Power of attorney. A
No, no, no.
minor is a
Acha, acha. Power, power of.
yes, sir.
So this is wrongly given. But though they are not describing about power of attorney, they are describing about minor. My power of attorney means, say, when A is having an account and he may not be in station most of the time, so he wants the account to be operated properly, so he can authorize one B as his agent or his power of attorney holder. He will operate the account himself. Okay. Then next comes priority sector advances.
uh, Consists of loans and advances to agriculture, small scale industry, small road and water transport operators, retail trade, small business with limits on investment in equipments, professional and self employed persons, state sponsored organizations for lending to SC, ST, education loans, house financing up to certain limits, self help groups, and consumption loans.
Now, this is again old material. Nowadays, you have renewable energy loans. Then you also have infrastructure loans. Earlier, when this was written, we were talking in lakhs. Now we are all discussing in crores. Yeah, continue. Promissory note.
Promissory note is a promise or undertaking given by one person in writing to another person to pay to that person a certain sum of money on demand or on a future date.
See, normally banks, when they give loan, they will take a document from the borrower signed by him saying, on demand, I promise to pay. It will be stamped. Normally, we are affixing only 1 rupee stamp, revenue stamp. You must have heard revenue stamp. That revenue stamp will be affixed and the signature will be taken on the uh, say revenue stamp also. On the left side, we will ask him to sign again and give details, son of so and so, plus give the address also. Now, provisioning.
Provisioning is made for the likely loss in the profit and loss account while finalizing accounts of banks. All banks are supposed to make assets classification and make appropriate provisions for likely losses in their balance sheets.
But this also is not sufficient. Nowadays, definition has improved. Public sector bank.
A bank fully or partly owned by the government.
This answer is wrong. A bank fully or partly, that is 51% and above, owned by the government. Possibly in Federal Bank also, Government of India may have shares, but it will be less than 5%, 10%. So such cases, it is not considered as a public sector bank. Now continue.
Rescheduling of payment, rearranging the payment, rearranging the repayment of a debt over a longer period than originally agreed upon due to financial difficulties of the borrower.
This is not required. Hmm, this one, RTGS.
Yes, sir. Uh, Real time gross settlement RTGS is a fund transfer mechanism that enables money to move from one bank to another on a real time and gross basis. Simply put, real time means the transaction is settled instantly without any waiting period, and gross means that it is not bunched with any other transaction. You can transfer a minimum of rupees 2 lakh through RTGS. There is no upper ceiling, though. RTGS is the fastest interbank money transfer facility available through secure banking channels in India.
So this is RTGS. Now, safe custody.
Safe custody when articles of value like jewelry, boxes, shares, debentures, government bonds, wills, or other documents or articles are given to a bank for safekeeping in its safe vault. It is called safe custody. Charges a free bank charges a fee from its clients for such safety custody.
This is theoretically it is there, but practically I was manager for 13 years. Never I have come across this safe custody, excepting that we may have safe custody of duplicate keys of another branch with us. Every bank branch will have to see, banks will have two sets of keys. See, every bank for entering into the safe, there will be a key with the manager, there will be a key with the second officer, and there will be one more set of keys with the cashier who is having his safe deposit, say that is safe, that is cash safe. So all this set of keys, one set of key will be kept with the nearest branch of the bank, nearest another branch of the bank. Because now, in case your bank is working in a village or city where there is no other branch of your bank, then you can keep it with State Bank of India or other bank, and you will be given a receipt. And once you give the receipt, you can get back those documents. See, those duplicate keys are necessary, and it will be checked by the inspectors when they visit your branch. They want to make sure that one set of keys is kept under custody only and not with any other person, in order to safeguard the safety of the bank's funds. Continue. Savings bank account. This is
A
all.
minor,
No, this
yes,
is also wrong,
repeat it.
wrongly written. Teller.
Teller is a staff member of a bank who accepts deposits, cashes, checks, and performs other banking services for the public.
Yeah, teller. Normally in the bank counter, this man will be sitting. He will, if you give the check, he will give the cash. He is supposed to verify and then give. Universal banking. नहीं है.
Um,
Univer-
yes.
Universal banking. I. Please read when
Yes.
banks and financial institutions.
When banks and financial institutions are allowed to undertake all type of activities related to banking like acceptance of deposits, granting of advances, investment, issue of credit cards, project finance, venture capital finance, foreign exchange business, insurance, etc., it is called universal banking.
Very good. Important point. Please read again.
Yes, sir. When banks and financial institutions are allowed to undertake all type of activities related to banking like acceptance of deposits, granting of advances, investment, issue of credit cards, project finance, venture capital finance, foreign exchange business, insurance, etc., it is called universal banking.
Nowadays, banks are doing much more than this. For example, they do mutual fund business. They are also doing mobile banking. They are doing what? Internet banking. They are giving fast tag. So many activities are done by the banks. Yeah. Virtual banking. Please read.
Yes, sir. Uh, Virtual banking is also called internet banking, through which financial and banking services are accessed via internet's World Wide Web. It is called virtual banking because an internet bank has no boundaries of brick and mortar and exists only on the internet.
Virtual banking. Now, wishing.
Uh, Wishing is a fraudulent practice of making phone calls or leaving voice messages purporting to be from reputable companies in order to induce individuals to reveal personal information such as bank details and credit card numbers.
See, nowadays, these fellows, you know, it is only the educated people are doing such frauds and this thing, you must have heard about lot of problems relating to Cambodia. People are tempted that they will be given very good salary in Cambodia. They are taken to Cambodia. They may not be taken really to Cambodia. They'll be taken to some place in Burma where they are asked to sit in a place. I mean, they will be,
Yes, sir,
uh,
method.
yeah, they will be put into accommodation. Like in one small room, 10, 12 people will have to stay, and they will have to talk to others, telling them. They may even talk like ladies, and to attract them to invest in like this and do fraudulent activities. Mm. Some people do that as business also, wishing very bad, very, very bad. We have to be very careful. Um,
Yes, sir.
exactly. Now, um, wholesale banking, Ayushi.
Yes, sir. Wholesale banking is different from retail banking as it as its focus is on providing for financial needs of industry and institutional clients.
Bada clients like Tata's, this and all that. They will give big accounts to those companies like Reliance, Adani, Am, Ambani, like that. So many people, bada company, where they will talk only in crores. Yeah. So this is what it is. Like I think we have been reading it for 4 or 5 days. We have completed this. So this is glossary. This glossary will help you know about what is banking and what are the different aspects related to banking and all that. Now, after this, what we should do tomorrow, we will continue with that. Now, I think in your 1 minute, 761 182. Yeah, wait a minute for 5 minutes. Now, tomorrow, what we will do, we will go through some of the, I will show you what I am going to study tomorrow. What are the things that are there? One, sales link, general awareness, federal bank interview videos, bank interview classes important. Uh, Acha, there is one link I have given you. One link I have given you. This is what it is. 1 minute, I'll show you. This is one link I have given you. Yeah, this is what I have given you. Here I have to change the figures. I will change the figures. This one, I think I had it when this was started for mm, our associate officers before June or immediately in July or so. So I had given 31 three figures. 31 three figures. I have to remove this. I have to give figures as on 36. I will do it today. Now, apart from this, here there are certain particulars given. Now, after Ayushi, Sivakumar, you are in a house or you are in a bus?
In bus, sir.
Buslo unnara? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, Shivam, you are there now?
Yes, sir.
Shivam, can you read this now? From here, everything is important. From now, whatever we are going to read will be important. This will be directly asked in interviews. Please read, Shivam.
Yes, sir. MD and CEO Federal Bank, KVS Manian, Federal Bank Chairman, AP Huta, number of happy customers, 1 crore 90 lakh plus, 91 lakh plus, number of banking outlets, 15, 1589,
Now, is it same or
ATMs, 2000,
has it changed? This one number
change
of
1502,
15, 1602.
1502 and in
No,
Google,
no, no, not
there, sir.
1502, Baba. Yeah, it cannot come down. Mm, Just a minute. We will see that if there is scope for revising it, we should revise it. In the same way, if you find some content wrong in the message given by me, you need not hesitate. You can tell me. So that will help me change the content because
Sir,
contents change
before
quite
the
often.
test, I have Googled
No,
it
no,
number
Google.
of branches.
Don't believe Google, Baba. Don't believe your Google. We will go to Federal Bank website. 1 minute. Federalbank.co.in. Yeah, I am coming to federalbank.co.in. I will have to go to About Us. Ah, number of branches 1589. It remains same. 1589. Correct? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
1589. ATMs. ATMs is how much? 1 minute. I saw it now. ATMs
1457.
1457 plus 623. So that number also remains same. 2080, including cash recyclers and mobile ATMs. Continue. Shivam, executive
Executive
directors.
Director of Federal Bank, Venkata Raman Venkateswaran, Mr. Harsh Jindal.
Yeah. Previously, there was one madam. That madam has resigned. Sorry, retired. Now we have Venkataraman Venkateshwaran. Good. Now, please read this also. RBI Governor.
RBI Governor Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, Deputy Governors of RBI Rajeshwar Rao, T. Ravisankar, Janaki Swaminathan, Poonam Gupta, newly appointed.
Yeah. Mrs.
MPC
Poonam
changes.
Gupta. Yeah. Here, MPC changes I have given as on 6/6. But after that, 8 June, August also has come. Na? After that, August has come.
Yes, sir.
I think its figures are remaining same only. Repo rate 5.5, SDF 5.25, bank rate and MSF rate 5.75, reverse repo rate. This one you read CRR 4% NDTL.
CRR 4% on NDTL dated on 6 June 6, 2025. It has been decided to reduce the case reserve ratio CRR of all the banks by 100 basis points in four equal chunks of 25 basis points each to the 3 point percent of net demand of time liabilities. Accordingly, banks are required to maintain CRR at 3.75 of 3.5%, 3.25%, and 3% on their NDTL effective from the reporting fortnight belonging 6th September, October 4, November 1, and November 29, 2025 respectively.
See, I think when you are attending interview, it must be after October 4. So you have to say CRR is 3.5%. But if you happen to
Yes, yes.
attend after November 1, then you have to say it is 3.25%. If anyone is attending interview after November 29, they will have to say CRR is 3%. We will discuss about CRR tomorrow in detail. We will also go through other points that are given here. From here, everything is important. Not that what we have discussed so far is not important, but whatever is coming here is important. We will go through this tomorrow, and you can also go through the materials given by me. Go through Federal Bank also. Please be ready for questions like tell me about Federal Bank. You must make say about 5 or 6 line answers, not concentrating on history. Tell about the present position and tell about the various products of Federal Bank. You try to know the name of 3 or 4 products and some important features about those products. For example, under savings bank, you choose 2 or 3 deposit schemes and get to know the important features. Similarly, business current account. Similarly, fixed deposit, RD, same one will do. Then under the retail loans, you please get to know about personal loan, then car loan and home loan, the important features of that. 99% in interview, they will not ask you all the details, but you must know sometimes when they go deep, they can ask you about this also. Otherwise, in the interview, the questions will be more or less similar to what is given here. Okay, simple questions. You be ready for them. You go through this also and come tomorrow when we read, you will understand it better. Best wishes. Today it is Saturday. What is the this thing? 27th. Very good. So tomorrow, candidates, relax. Take leave for tomorrow. I will also relax. Then we will meet on 29th at 8 p.m. as usual. And I think this works well, means fine. I will, only problem is I will have to store the message, this video in a separate place so that I can use them later on also. I will try to manage that. Best wishes. Thank you. So today, how
Thank you,
many
sir.
we have? Today we have Nikhil, then Shivakumar, Ayushi, and Shivam. Yeah, that that my boy has not come. What is his name? Sanyal. What is his name?
Sayan Roy.
Sayan.
Sayan
Sayan.
Roy.
Sayan. Sayan has not come. No problem.
Roy.
Best
Only Roy.
best wishes. Now this will be shared in our group, and I will give the link in our Federal Bank new Federal Bank group. I am not sharing it with others for now, and this is what it is. I don't want you to share with others. And if anybody wants to join, tell them to come and join our group for Federal Bank and also for our, what is that? Dhanalakshmi Bank. Best wishes. Thank you. Ayushi, any
Sir,
questions?
Yeah, no, sir. Sir, just one question. In the document section on the app, I just wanted to ask कि वहीं पे upload करने हैं ना documents in the document section on the app जो document verification के लिए.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yet
You have to do it. You have not
Yes,
completed it. You have not completed it. You are supposed to
sir,
do it.
सर आई हैव completed it. Just wanted to ask because उसमें बहुत सारे मतलब चीजें पूछी हुई बट लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स उन्होंने
initial
कम दिया
document submission is pending yet.
है
If it
हाँ.
is
No, no.
open, we have to upload it. Initial document submission is pending yet.
अच्छा
Okay.
उसमें आ रहा है इनिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिशन इज ऑनगोइंग ऐसे लिखा है मेरे में.
कोई
Ongoing
बात
is
नहीं.
get more details, but it is pending yet.
For
Okay.
you,
If
it
it
is
is
coming
start,
as
we have to
pending.
submit it in that.
For you, it is coming as
So once
pending.
it gets processed, you'll get a blue kind of color will just appear in the
Yes.
screen.
Acha,
Yes.
Nikhil is
Yes.
speaking.
Yes.
Nikhil is speaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nikhil, you got blue.
Yes, I got blue, but there is not a green tick, sir. Like the Delhi boy got the green tick, but most of the students have not got. Candidate has not got, but still, like it says that the documents has been uploaded, sir.
So, koi baat nahi. But if there is any problem, I would suggest Ayushi and all of you to send email to them that you have uploaded documents and
So they are not
Okay.
responding, sir. So they are not responding, sir.
they need not respond. They need not respond so that let them not tell you that you have not loaded before 27th. ऐसा नहीं बोलना है. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
So please send an email to them. Sivakumar, you had lot of problems in document uploading. What is the
No,
position
sir, it's
now?
completed, sir. Completed.
Very good. Are you getting green? Are you getting green link?
No, sir, it's not getting reached, but document uploaded successfully done, sir.
So currently,
Very good.
currently initial document submission in pending in my state also, Gujarat or Delhi
Acha,
also.
acha. Very good. No problem. Telangana is advanced, progressing well.
Yes,
Best
sir.
wishes. Thank you
Sir,
so much.
sir,
Yeah.
one question, sir. Sir,
Mm.
so after if we get selected, then we are allowed to give JIB exams, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if
You
we,
can
sir,
write CAB, JAB, and all that.
yes, if we clear the exam, sir, how much there be increment?
I think for this post, they will not give increment. See, actually, this is the new post they have created. No, I cannot firmly tell that they will not pay any, what is that, increment, because if the bank wants, they can encourage you by giving increments or some one-time payment. We don't know, Baba. They are not clear about it. For example, they have not decided about the number of days for which you can avail leave. All these things they have not decided. They will tell you in due course. But believe your stay there will be good. भगवान में प्रार्थना करके आप जाओ. You should be having good times there. Do not compare the salary they have offered 30,000 in Coimbatore. It cannot be 30 in Coimbatore. And if it is 30 only in your new place also, we cannot say anything. If you are willing, you continue. Otherwise, you don't work. That's all. And this interview is a training ground for you to improve knowledge, to improve your ability to meet new people, communicate with others in English and other languages. So this is what it is. And now, because many of you are asking, sir, what is the salary? What is the... See, honestly, I don't know what is going to be the salary.
Sir,
I only
sir,
know one boy telling me 30 in Coimbatore with incentive of 11,000, provided you complete it and all that. But don't worry about salary. Federal Bank is a good bank. It will give you good experience. You work for 2 3 years there and improve your performance, you can jump over to public sector banks like Bank of Maharashtra, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, and Bank of Baroda as relationship officers
sir,
later
can
on.
we Many of the candidates have doubts, sir. So those who are successful candidate from them, can you, sir, make a clarification kind of video so that our doubts will get resolved?
I have already told ना, हमने बात
About
कर
tell
लिया,
this.
जो आदमी उधर में ज्वाइन करा लिया उनसे बात हो गया, एंड जो वो बात बोलता है वो सब वीडियो में डाल दिया. नाउ देयर इज नो सीक्रेट. बट what I am telling you is, don't think the same condition will be there for you in Delhi, Gujarat, West Bengal. It will be different.
Sir, I was going through the notifications, sir. Sir, I found something, sir, very different, sir. Sir, can I show you, sir?
I know. They are telling
Yes, yes.
4.59 lakh and all,
No, sir,
6
no, sir.
points. Hmm.
So not regarding remuneration, sir. Sir, in location section they have mentioned that, like, in the candidate selected for the post of associate officer sales shall be posted initially to any of the branches of the bank in
Correct.
any role as per the administrative requirements that they have mentioned in any role, sir.
I understand. This is supposing due to some circumstances in your branch, you have been posted to a branch where there are 4 staff members totally. All the 3 have gone on leave. Then, if they are not able to arrange for one substitute, then they may ask you to sit in the counter and receive cash. Very rare. ऐसा नहीं होगा. वो लोग
Okay,
ऐसा
sir.
नहीं करेगा क्योंकि आपको तो एक ट्रेनिंग देना पड़ेगा. अरे भाई, ये क्लर्क काम करने के लिए वो लोग का 1 हफ्ता ट्रेनिंग देते हैं पहले, विदाउट विथ मटेरियल्स ऑनलाइन. देन दे आर टेकन टू द ट्रेनिंग सेंटर फॉर 1 वीक. बहुत कुछ सीखना पड़ता है. ये तो इतना आसान नहीं है. यू कैन बी आस्क्ड टू वर्क इनसाइड ए बैंक ब्रांच without training. Understand? So they may not expect you to do more than what is that
See,
sales. Similar to what is happening in HDFC, they will consider you only as salesperson, and you are eligible for appearing for their exams if they come out, provided you have qualifications, and you may be given some 2 or 3 more marks for your actual service experience in this bank. That is the only advantage. Am I clear now?
yes, sir.
Should I talk? Should I change my tone and then tell you in a different way? I am speaking the fact as comes to my mind. So don't worry. ये तो, this is my second run for this associated officer. पहले तो I ran with Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Maharashtra people. Now I am running with Gujarat, New Delhi, West Bengal, and Telangana people. So it is, it's a, but the experience of people, nobody has complained to me so far. Because candidates, if they have some problem, they will not go to Federal Bank. They will come to me only first. They will say, "As sir, this is the problem." As if I am the person to decide. I am not. So nobody has ever complained about the role. Don't worry. Okay?
Sir, while having interview in document verification process, do we have to carry our resume as well, sir? Because they have not mentioned in the
No,
mail.
no.
Okay, sir.
No resume is needed. Whatever application you have loaded is sufficient. Your application will be there on the screen before them.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Only
Thank you, sir.
2 people will be interviewing you. Young people around 30, 32 years old. Young people will be interviewing you. So go as happy persons and be hopeful of success. All the best. और कुछ बोलना है?
No, sir.
Thank
That's
you,
it,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Nikhil?
No, sir.
Nikhil?
Thank you,
No,
sir.
nothing. Very good. Nikhil, Durga Puja keman cholche? How is it?
Sir, it's going great, sir. More than Durga Puja, we have different kind of celebration here in Darjeeling, sir.
What is it?
Sorry, Durga Puja is like basically this Bengali people celebrate, but in our area it's called Dasai, sir. We put tikas
Tika means?
like red. It's made of like rice and color, and we put it in our forehead, sir.
Oh, acha, 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 acha. You have put it now for you?
No, sir, not now, sir. In Dasami we put on Thursday.
Okay, God bless you. So
Okay,
nice.
thank you, sir.
In Gujarat, we
Very nice.
celebrate more.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye. Ayushi, how is
Yes, sir.
how is Dasara in in Ghaziabad and all?
Sir, it's going well. There are many pandals and dandiya nights going on here. So,
Acha, acha.
yes, sir.
Pandas. Acha, it is known as Pandas, na? That is
Pandals,
uh
they are usually mainly
yeah,
they are set
Pandal,
up
I
in
know.
Bengals. Yes,
It's
sir.
yeah,
Bengal.
yeah, yeah, a temporary shelter provided.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
I know that. Bengal also it is like that only. Best wishes. Enjoy. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.